Tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Quant on Kraken. So once you open up Kraken, I want you to go to the bottom and press on Explore. Then go to the top where it says search and type in QUANT for Quant. Go ahead and press on that. Once you're on Quant, which I can't seem to find, once you're on Quant, you want to go down to the bottom where it says buy Quant. Then type the amount of quant you're looking to buy. So if you wanted to do $30 worth for a demonstration, go ahead and type in the amount, then press on the purple arrow on the right. Once you're here, you can go ahead and review the amount, the price, the fee, and the total. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on confirm, and then follow the next steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Quant on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.